Hello, hero. Today we're gonna plant the we're gonna plant these seeds that we're growing. Here, let me take off the lid. We're gonna plant the crops that we're growing, so I think they're ready to go. The right side over here, they're not ready yet, but most of the left side, my left side, are ready. All right, so the drink for today. Basic ice all the way to the top. Just pour water. That's it. The fun part, we get to use a pickaxe and a shovel. And so the soil that's in the starter kit is Miracle Grow seed starting potting mix. And I think this one is for the I think this is for the actual soil now that's over here. So we're gonna plant the crops over there. All right, so I'm not sure if this is gonna work because it's winter and most of the crops in winter don't grow. And there's only one way to find out. We're gonna plant it, then after that, we're gonna plant new seeds on the starter kit, then grow those, and then yes, because I want to finish all the seeds in the pack and try to get as much crop as I can. All right, so again, by the way, there's no food in my cooler over here, but I got some tater tots inside the house, so I'm kind of picnicking. I'm just want to have the cooler outside. All right, so I'll see you later. Bye.